Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about conditional operator in PHP. Conditional or ternary operators we can also say. It is called ternary operator which take three operand. So operand, for example, a plus b. In this way, a is an action that show a operator. This action is performed on these two variables. So these two variables we say that these are the operand. So operator is the action that perform, or we can also say that that is a symbol. It take a condition and two statement. There will be two statement. If condition is true, it execute first statement. Otherwise, second statement will be execute. It's syntax. This condition here you have to point condition, then question mark, then echo x if condition is true, then colon, then echo y if condition is false. This statement will be execute if condition become false. If condition become true, then this statement will be execute. For example, a value is 20, b value is 30, and then you can see that this is the condition. A is less than b. If less than b, then this statement will be execute. In this way, you can see that a value is 20. This is a true. True will be displayed on the screen. That too will be stored in this variable. When we echo that result, then result will be stored, then result will be displayed to user. Now I open Visual Studio Code and solve this problem statement in PHP how conditional operator work. In Visual Studio Code, just create new file and save this file, conditional operator.php, and copy this one, paste here, and then now I want to create variable a20, b value is for example 30, and then I want to make a ternary operator, conditional operator. For that reason I want to use a parenthesis. A is not equal to b, so statement is true because really a is not equal to b, and question mark, and then two statement I will write here. One is a is not equal to b if statement is become true. Otherwise, this statement should be run a is equal to b. Now that result should be stored in any other variable, for example result, because it returned that statement when. We can also display that to user. Now open file. This is a conditional operator. You can see that a is not equal to b. This statement is displaying because the condition is true. For example, if now both value are equal to each other, now this become false. This statement should be execute. Refresh, a is equal to b. Now in this way this work. For example, I can also use another operator. A is greater than b. Now a is not greater than b, then this statement will be execute. A is not greater than b. If greater, then this should be display. A is greater than b. Now refresh, you can see that a is not greater than b, but these are equal to each other. So conditional operator work in this way.